That's the last bite on this supermarket. And I found these ladies here dancing. I think the party start right now. Or I don't know if it's something religious. I don't know. But it's so nice. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.
Selamat malam.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for the ice cream.
Thank you.
Welcome to breakfast.
It's time to enjoy our pancakes and start our day.
Now we're going to the harbor, back to the main island, to Bali. And then we go to
Ubud.
Yay! So after a long ride, we are finally at the harbor and enjoy the view. The water is still amazing.
Just an Asian guy. Vietnamese squad. This is just Latin. He took the trekking move.
Bye bye. Nusa Penida. Look at her. Small but very strong. The back is very heavy. Good job. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. The Grab driver told us to cross this street to the other side because this is too busy right now. Grab driver, crazy. Made it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Check-in.
Check.
Where's your check-in?
the traffic was so crazy,
Oh my
so that's why we
gosh.
came in so
You
late.
know, in the morning, usually my husband taking care of my children and send them to school.
Yeah.
The school is in Denpasar city. So in the morning, I just only need to take 1 hour, 15 minutes. But when I pick them up, like in the afternoon time, like this one, I need 3 hours.
Wow,
Oh
oh
my
my god,
God.
no, that's crazy.
That is really crazy.
So
Yeah,
that's
why-
Uber, right? I
that's
heard a
why
lot.
I'm trying like a lot of alternative or options,
Yeah.
but still like not less than 2.5 hours.
Amazing. Just amazing.
Right?
Look how cute it is. How cute. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. It's amazing. It's a paradise in the middle of the jungle.
And around us a lot of rice fields.
Yes. So green, so green. My thanks so much.
You're welcome. So that's welcome drink. It's a mixed with lemongrass, a little bit lime, and a little bit sugar as well.
Very fresh.
A little
Thank
ginger.
you.
It's not so sweet because sweet and sour.
Welcome to my room. Today we're in Ubud, in Ala's back room. Come check my room.
Wow.
Oh my God, I never had something like that before. Amazing. Look how beautiful. And the detail. It's just a place to chill, relax, and enjoy your time and your vacation. The house in Mahabit. After a good food, good rest. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Wow, the sun is shining and I'm feeling so good. With this view, of course, the pool amazing. So where is my wife? Ah, there she is. Yeah, we waiting for the breakfast. Floating breakfast. Yay. No, 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 no.
Thank you. I'm very big appreciate you come here for the stay in the Madi Alas.
Oh my God, these girls are preparing our floating breakfast. They are so dedicated. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And here we have our delicious breakfast, acai bowl and sandwich. Enjoy.
Romeo and Juliet in action. No, amazing for the guests like Mrs. Maria and Mr. Jake. Happy in Bali.
So nice. The view, the spot.
Wow, the swing is amazing. I guess ladies first. There you go. There is she, so brave.
One more, look at camera, friend.
Your last word.
Are you ready again?
Yes.
See you. Ken, single. Nana.
Close the back there. Mắc xuống đi bay nè.
Upon your hand.
Let's go. Thank you. So this is our new villa. It's very natural in the middle of the rice fields.
Happy.
Are they happy?
This your juice, watermelon juice.
For me.
Miss Instagrammer influencer chill in the bed.
You know, I make it now with you. Happy in Bali.
Happy.
Yes.
Oh, I love this.
I love you.
We love you.
Thank you. Ladies first.
Oh yes.
Ladies first. Ini bang, ini kanan ya kanan. You know,
I need to be here.
you know, this one the traditional.
Wow, the food here is always amazing. Enjoy.
Happy.
New days, new place. We going to Central Ubud. See you. Wow, this is the pool. So needed right now because it's so fucking hot here. Cheers! Wow, the next morning feels like paradise. Look at her.
안 죽어요.
Wow, this place is so unreal, so beautiful, really. Rice terrace. So, where we now? She goes shopping again. Oh my god, this girl is crazy. I can't, it's sweating. At
Yourself.
least she had fun.
Das ist Kakao.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's not about coffee. Like
Not
that.
just coffee.
Yeah, not just coffee. We have cacao. We have spices like ginger. This is ginger plant. And the other side is turmeric. This one is turmeric plant. Yeah.
Kurkuma.
Yes. So ginger and this is a lot grow in North Bali and the more in close the coffee after we dry them because we have a lot of this is only process.
For example, yes.
Before we have a big machine to do that.
Yeah, this is powder ready. We just add hot water and then it's
So now you can find your
Here's okay. Yes.
This for the spoon.
Taste with us.
Rosella tea. It's like the German fruit tea.
Yeah, it's like a blueberry,
Yeah.
red fruit tea. It's really nice and
It's
really
good,
sweet
sweet.
without sugar.
And this is the turmeric tea.
Turmeric.
Auch nicht schlecht.
Oh. Oh wow!
Yeah,
I didn't
honestly.
expect this flavor.
Now I'm excited for this one. This is the mango steam tea.
I like turmeric.
You can taste the mango. A little bit sour.
But look the
it's
color.
Purple.
It's purple. Smells so good. It's a light
Like sure. Your
taste of
favorite
mango.
ginger tea.
Ginger.
Really
Strong.
ginger. This is
Smell
really
really strong.
Okay. Now we
Wow.
are full of power.
But at the first stage, it's so sweet and so nice, and then suddenly go to the throat like a dragon.
So the last one is the
Lemongrass.
Oh, I love lemongrass in food and everything, but tea especially. Oh, I love it. So after the ginger, this is like water.
Wow. Smell really nice. In Venezuela, we have something like this. It's toronjil, the name, and smell the same, the same.
I never had lemongrass tea. I never tried
Oh.
lemongrass tea. I know ginger, I know rosella,
Wow.
and turmeric.
I need to say it's like Venezuelan tea.
But lemongrass is really nice. You should try some.
My favorite until now.
Me too. So
Okay, let's start with the coffee.
you try first.
Here's the explanation for everything.
Itu anak abang siapa dah?
Tea
Abang siapa?
and the coffee.
Tu tak good.
All this taste is for free. And then you can order some kind of coffee if you want coffee, iced tea. But first, the taste. So we'll start with ginseng coffee.
Ginseng coffee. That is really
It's like a milk coffee.
special.
It's like caramel coffee.
But do you smell or taste
No,
ginseng?
no. For me, it's like a caramel coffee.
Yeah, caramel. It's like normal actually, so nothing that reminds me of ginseng.
Yes. Nothing
But
about
also
the plant.
But also it's tasty. It's like an espresso, but
Yeah.
really tasty.
Now is vanilla coffee, so regular coffee for us, like latte coffee. Oh, it's a lot. Oh, wow. Amazing. Smell. Amazing.
You smell the vanilla?
Yes.
For sure. For sure, we have the
For
vanilla.
sure. Tastes like vanilla.
Yeah, this is really vanilla.
Yes. And the amazing thing is nothing have sugar and everything is really sweet. As
Yeah,
it's
it has-
natural sweet.
Yeah,
Amazing. Next one, pure
cocoa.
cocoa,
Yeah,
like cacao.
yeah, I think it's cacao.
Yes, cacao. But usually this is a little bitter, amargo. Yeah,
Cacao.
yeah, pure cacao.
It's like I'm eating a cake. This is really
Yes,
cacao.
it's cacao.
It's like
pure cacao.
100%.
Now, coconut coffee.
I think it's
Favorite?
like Vietnam or something.
Yes, yes. Tastes just like, smell just like cocoa.
Coconut, of course.
Mm. Oh, amazing. Amazing.
Really good.
Amazing. Imagine if
Really
it's
good.
cold because everything's warm. Okay, we're in the middle of the jungle with 28 degrees and make a taste. Everything's warm. So, oh my god. Do you want more?
That was really very good. So let's see the last one. We have
Bali
now
coffee.
The Bali coffee.
No? The black coffee?
Oh, I think the Bali we had multi times. The one
Yes,
that you don't
yeah.
like.
Yes. Have a special taste. Really special taste. I mean, it's not like a regular coffee.
But not good.
It's Bali coffee.
Yeah, we have to be honest. So which one is your favorite?
My favorite was the
coconut.
coconut. And the tea, the lemongrass tea.
Yeah, same. Yeah, coconut coffee or vanilla.
Or vanilla.
But coconut is really special.
Special.
It's like Asian jungle, so
It's
something reminds me. So I think the coconut is my favorite also.
Yes, the coconut coffee is like the latte macchiato from Europe here in Asia. Yeah.
Vanilla.
Really nice. Everything tastes really amazing because everything is so natural. It's growing here. They make the entire process here. And for me, the special and unique is they are really sweet without sugar. Also, it's the natural sweetness. This was amazing. What is amazing? It's for me.
So this is a hidden spot. Come here because
Yes.
we didn't expect this. We just follow the way, the small way, and then we just find like, oh, this place looks nice. It's like a rice terrace, and then we came there. The girl came to us and asked us, oh, first time here, just follow me, and we didn't know.
We just follow her, and she started explaining everything. And we was like, I think
Yeah.
we are in like a
a tour.
coffee plantation, maybe. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
The
like-
name is Kumulilir.
Mhm.
Here is the name Kumulilir.
Like everything is for free. Free entry, free tour,
For
and
taste.
you
The
can take-
view is unbelievable, amazing.
Yeah, it's really cheap here.
Really.
So come here.
Yes. Don't miss this activity here in Bali. They have also gift shop where you can buy tea, coffee, and I bought a fiber.
The
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yeah.
The one that we don't have in Europe.
Yes. So, really excited to enjoy this. Come visit the complex. It's amazing. They have a lot of options for kids to just walk around, play. An amazing place for take a picture.
There you go. She are in an Asian supermarket and found some cool stuff.
Really cool drinks, like cocktail. This is soju cocktail.
Soda.
Yes, I really don't know, but looks nice. Pineapple, it's always nice. Come, take a look at this. Look. So cool drinks. Do you know to chill at the pool? It's perfect. And look the medicine. That's really interesting. Look. So cute. Here you have paracetamol.
Oh, that's cool.
In so small things. That's not condoms, okay? It's medicaments. Look, I don't know what is that vitamin C. Look, it's really nice.
That's
Isn't it
all.
cool?
That's
That's
all
cool.
for to go. That's amazing.
Yes, like travel size.
Yes. Wow. We come back.
So, oh yeah, no, oh my god. Yes, Bali.
So I'm down with the banh mi right now. And a little more smaller supermarket.
Some street food.
Try this.
No.
But they have Western food. But like local, it's spicy. And I checked the lounge.
Okay, in every corner is some laundry. Oh, Phương Hải.
So I checked this place is like 17,000 per kilo. So it's €1, I guess.
Yes, something like that.
Cheap. I will do my lunch with you.
Perfect. So now, oh,
So let's go back and then have a food. Chill.
yes. station. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, God. Or mother from the motorbike rental.
We are here for 3 nights. So today just chill, relax, and tomorrow we will explore the area.
Yes. You don't want to go to eat, Danny?
What?
Maybe. Let's see. The paradise.
Pork belly, mushroom, banh
No.
with tofu? No. Can I have the...
New way to make picture is the way how he expresses he really tired from or travel is. It's like he don't have any energy anymore. Can you explain what kind of pose is that?
No, I don't explain. This is my own journey. No bag. No, it's okay. Hanoi Bali.
Thank you. Thank you. Now we're in our new hotel here in Seminyak. Hi. Wow, look at the details. And
Look at this. I mean, it's not original Vietnamese, but it's look good also.
inside is pork belly,
Pork belly.
cucumber, cilantro.
Cilantro, mayo, and other stuff. And it's so good. Let's dive in. So crunchy.
Oh wow, that's amazing. How is the bread?
Really good. The bread is okay.
I mean, it's not the same like
They
Vietnam.
toast it a little bit, so it's nice one. I really enjoy it. It's like 50k. It's not that much. It's like €3 or less. You want to try?
Okay. This is the small restaurant. Maybe have some drinks. Hi. And now we are coming to the second pill. Ooh, nice. Open door.
Yeah.
Wow.
A lot of chicken.
Oh God. Oh, can you hear? This is chicken. Oh, but so cute.
Come here. So now
Exactly what you like.
put everything inside. Yeah, it's not bad.
Now we are in our room. It's really cute. Yes. We have a chicken farm just next to. But this I found so sweet. Nah. Ooh.
17,000 per kilo. So I pay 73 kilo total. I think it's like 5 euro. Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, I was coming. Yes. Thank you. Oh, I take this.
That's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. He is already from here. Look at him.
Welche heute erledigt? 3 Euro. Oder 4 Euro.
We rent a new